Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of an action camera from Xiaomi. So this is the Xiaomi action camera. So this is under the brand called Mijia. So Mijia is Xiaomi's own brand for home product and consumer electronics. So this is under Xiaomi's Mijia brand. You can see Mi and this is the Mijia branding here, and this is the 4K action camera, so that can record videos in 4K resolution. And this is a pretty compact action camera with quite good specifications. So in this video we'll talk about the camera and do a quick unboxing, show you footage recorded with this and show you, also tell you about the features of this camera. So this is an action camera with 4K recording, and this comes with quite good specifications as well. So on the box you can see the mention of 4K Ultra HD recording, then Wi-Fi is included, the processor mentioned here, and on the back of the box you get to see a couple of interesting options mentioned. It's an f-stop 2.8 aperture, field of view is 145 degrees, and you also get 5 volt 1 ampere charging, and it also has a Sony IMX317 sensor. It is quite good for low light captures as well. It has a 2.4 inch display. It's a 960 by 480p resolution display, and it also comes with an inbuilt battery. So we'll just unbox it first and then show you the features. So let's open this, and you can see this is the Mijia camera here. So it's a pretty compact camera. You can see it's very lightweight and compact. So that's the dimensions. It's pretty small actually, and you can see the Mijia branding here. On the top it's a power button, and here you can see there is an option to open this. So this is a slot where you can use the battery, and here we have an option to charge it. So that's the charging slot. So it's a micro USB charging slot. You can charge the inbuilt battery. So here we also get an option to insert the SD card. So it can support SD cards up to 64 GB. So we have this option to insert the SD card here. So that's the camera. So let's just open the lens cover, and you can see this, the lens, f-stop 2.8 145 degree wide angle lens, and UV filter is included. Other than that, this camera also has quite good options. It has a 7 glass lens and supports time lapse, so slow motion video recording is included. It also comes with 9 scene modes or photo modes, 6 axis EIS is included, 3 axis gyroscope, and it also comes with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So it's a pretty good feature rich camera. And let's see what else comes inside the box. So opening up, you can see this is the manual. So this is in Chinese, so this is the Chinese variant, so this is entirely in Chinese. Then you get this battery. So this is the default battery which comes. It's a 1450 mAh battery. So it's it can keep the charge for around 2 hours of continuous recording. So 1450 is the removable battery, and standby time is around 4 hours. So that's quite good. 2 hours of 4K recording you can take with this. And let's put this into the device. You also get the charging cable. That's a small charging cable. Use micro USB charging cable, it's also included. So now let's power it on. So we have inserted the battery. Now let's power it on. So you can see here, so it comes with support for English language. We have set it to English. So by default the manuals are included in Chinese, but you can actually make it to English. So right now we don't have an SD card, so we can see here this is the detailed options. So there you go, that's the 4K action camera. So if you just swipe from here, you get video, time lapse, slow motion, loop recording, photo plus video, photo mode, then this is the viewfinder, and if you swipe here, there is no SD card, but you can actually view the photos. And let's go to the resolution. You can see 4K recording at 30 fps, then 2.5K at 30 fps, 1080p resolution at 100 fps, 1080p at 60 fps, and also at 30 fps, and 720p at 200 fps. Then for quality is super fine, mentioned here. Then you have the option to mute the mic, stamp, then auto record is there, metering, exposure value, white balance, you can change it. So it looks quite good in terms of the features being offered here. And so now let's have a look at the 4K recording taken with this device. So this is the 4K recording taken with the Xiaomi Mijia 4K action camera. So that's all in the unboxing and quick hands-on of the Xiaomi Mijia 4K action camera, and this is available on Gearbest. In fact, Gearbest has sent us for review this unit, and you can buy this from Gearbest for around $95, so that's lesser than around 6,500 rupees. So this is one of the cheapest action cameras available right now, and this has pretty good quality as well. So for that pricing, it offers a good amount of features. So we'll be coming up with a detailed review of this camera, so stay tuned for that. We'll be showing up all the footages taken in different light conditions, and we'll be analyzing how good the camera is for this price segment. So stay tuned for that, and if you plan to buy this device, we'll share the link for this action camera in the description of this video. You can buy it from Gearbest for less than $100, which is quite good pricing for a 4K action camera. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.